We're in Rochester Hills today. We're lifting up this 1,1200 square foot ranch. And I just wanted to show real quick of the type of jacks we use. A lot of companies use car jacks or the little jacks that you pump up that you buy at Home Depot. What's the difference between that jack and this jack that we're using?
Well, the bottle jacks and things like you said, car jacks are done with hydraulics and they go down. These are permanent. These are screws. See this thread? That's how it's cranked up, and they stay.
And then the coupling that you put on here
holds the 3 joists. These are 2, but there's 3 that go in here.
There's 3, and then there's another one about 12 feet away that lift the house up permanently, and we can adjust it as we need it.
At 9,000 pounds a piece.
It's about 9,000 pounds. We have a foot pad underneath there that gives it more poundage, but this is the real deal here. It's not the little jacks you get at Home Depot. We see a lot of homeowners and do-it-yourselfers try it, and then
they sink, they move, they shift.
So we just pulled a few of them out, and it's kind of hard to get a video underneath the crawl space. So hopefully this will help you kind of understand of what we do here at SAS.
Might be able to get a shot now.
And another job wrapped up.